Hello viewers, welcome to my channel ITECH Solution. Today I will discuss another topic of control panel, which is printer, add printer options, printer and devices, and display properties, how we will improve our display screen, and how can we show the different options of display settings. First of all, I will show these options, how printer is added to your computer. I click on this device in printer, open this area, and here option is there, add a device or add a printer. So basically add a printer is the wizard where we can add two printer. One is local printer and another is network printer. So this is local printer, this is directly connected to this computer, and this is wireless and network printer, which is connected by a network. So just I will show you these options. I will show both the options, but first of all you see this shows a printer port, because of the local printer are always either LPT or USB. It will be shown here, and here USB is not shown because I have not connected any printer right now. If you will connect your composite device and printer etc., then it will use this USB device. So and then you have to choose that port also. So now I will show you the specification of any LPT1, and just click on next. I repeat it again, this is LPT1, and click next. Then it says HP. Suppose I will add any printer attached to this OS. It will I have tried it, so it says replace your current driver. Yes, you can do it. And this is the printer name. Yes, it is okay, and the printer will be installed there, and asks for chair options and test page. So I don't want to chair this printer, so click on next and set default. Yes, it will be given as the default printer options. Default printer is that whichever I will apply a print command, that it goes to this printer, it will use this printer. So I think it is added now. Yes, this printer is added now. This is the option of add a printer and look as a local printer. In case of second option, that is if you want to go to the add printer option with a network printer, shows this one, and here you should give the path and share name of the printer. I have already explained this process in my previous video, how to add a network printer. So just I will show it again from this control panel item. So it is not going to show the printer right now, so I will click on the printer that I was not listed. Yes, then it shows the options, browse for a printer, that is I will check it from network. That is if I am in the network, then it will show all the items here. So just I am not in the network, so I can use this select the share printer, and the path will be computer name and the slash printer share name. So it will give this the option. Here is the computer name slash printer and share name. It will give you to directly connect to the printer driver of any network printer. And if it is not used by you, then you can try for this add a TCP IP address printer. That is, I have a printer on the network with a LAN card affected with this printer, then add the printer using TCP address. Then it will give the options of IP address of this network of the LAN printer. So if we have a LAN based printer, that is network card exists in the printer, which is a network printer, then you can give this printer IP address and access, and it will automatically connect to the printer and transfer driver files required to this PC, for which it will be enabled to print the printer. So because I have not any just right now a network printer, so I will not use this, but I will show you. I have shown you that it should be the IP address of the PC or authoritative of this PC, then it will give the IP and port name of this printer attached to the network, and then it will in the next step it will transfer the driver files required to connect to this computer. So these are the options I think sufficient to add a network printer to you. So I think you should try it, and if in case of any problem, you may write down to in my comment section of this video. So these are the options add a printer. And second thing I want to discuss is the control panel item is display settings. You see this is large icon, display option is here, and here is this skin, and we can enlarge the folder size with this option, and this is medium options, and resolution can be adjusted from this, that is it is the highest resolution now I am using, so we can adjust this, and that will be log of just to apply the settings. So I will just not applying these things, and this is the skin position, it is landscape now. If I will select portrait, it will be rotate at 90-degree level of the skin. So I am not using this, but you can see the rotation of this. So for the sake I can show you the effect. Yes, it is effect here. Okay, you see the orientation of the skin. Yes, it is of this size. So it is not familiar to use with me, so I will revert this section. So you see the effect now, and I will back, and calibrate color is the important option for you. You see there is the options, it gives the guidance, and here is the next button here. This is just now below this option, next, and again it is the what will be effect, it shows you. Yes, next again, it is the gamma options, the clarity to check of this circular point. Next, it is giving you the option whether you can increase or decrease the options, gamma, adjust gamma option here. Next is brightness and contrast is there, so you can see the next option to modify these things. Yes, it gives the brightness option, you select the middle of these options, and next here this clarity is given here of the screen. Next is also here the good contrast is middle of this option. Yes, again it has shown you this clarity. Yes, it is okay now, and it can you can adjust these options, green, and blue. So it is okay for me, and it is you know the color is form of three color, main color, red, green, and blue RGB. So you can adjust these options here now also. So next is that current calibration is okay now. This is finish button here. So that is it is giving the calibration of options. Again it is suggested to text writing options to you give you the crystal type text. So you see, yes, it is okay now. What is the clear text? This is the clear text. Okay, this is the clear text. Next. So it is okay now. This is the options where calibration of color is done. So I think it should be done one step clearly to understand these things, and to apply the color options suitable for your view. So next other things are okay now. Already you have applied these things, so there is no, it's already applied you. And DPI is the thing that how many dot per inch pixels are there in this DPI. So it is said that I have 96 pixels per graphics information file of DPI settings. So it is okay for me. So it is to display the things. I think it is clear to you. It would, and just one or more time you can apply for this, and we should take it as moderate for the view, because our eyesight is very important to reflect our details and things. So thank you for viewing this video, and I will show you the next control item things in my future videos. Keep tuning to my channel. Thank you, and share these videos to your friends and subscribe also. Thank you.